Welcome to the instructions video for the Parallel Capacitor Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you analyze parallel capacitor circuits by calculating the total equivalent capacitance, charge distribution, stored energy, and transient charging current behavior for your circuit designs. To use this calculator, start by entering the number of capacitors in your parallel circuit. Then input the capacitance value for each capacitor in microfarads or your preferred unit. Next, enter the supply voltage in volts. You can also specify the series resistance if you want to analyze transient charging behavior. For example, enter 3 capacitors with values of 10, 22, and 47 microfarads with a 12-volt supply. Click Calculate to see your equivalent capacitance, which is simply the sum of all capacitor values. The results will show total charge, energy stored using the 1/2 CV² formula, and current analysis for transient response. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.